Hi, my name's Andrew from Virgin Island Yacht Brokers, coming to you today aboard my Nautitech 46 Open catamaran. Sailing up from Trinidad to Grenada. What an amazing day to sail. It's why we're out here. This day has been beautiful, light winds, full main, Jenniker, 8 knots consistently, sailing all the way during the day, which is spectacular. I've been a liveaboard cruiser for the past 4 years, loving this lifestyle, and I want to help others enjoy this lifestyle as well. Do you dream about coming in and out of ports, remote anchorages, or just waking up to the most incredible sea views you can possibly imagine? If so, reach out to me and let me help you find the boat of your dreams and get yourself out here on the water, because it is just spectacular. And you can see Grenada is in the background. Now we're anchored in Prickly Bay, Grenada. I love Grenada. Grenada is called the Spice Island. So many spices are grown here, as well as chocolate. If you're a chocolate fan, between Grenada and Dominica, those are your 2 islands. After you purchase a boat, some of you might be a little bit intimidated on things like anchoring or clearing customs, or just have questions like, where's a great restaurant? Where's a great hike? How about rental cars? Those are the kind of things that I can help you with after you get yourself out here on the water. I really hope to get other people to come out and enjoy this lifestyle that is, I think, the most healthy and stress-free way to live. If that's important to you, come out, join us, and become a full-time liveaboard cruiser.